mother blackbird here. She's about to attack she's got her baby, or one of her young there in the center. As you can see, it's a young blackbird with the mother. The young one's there in the center, and there's the mother just about to feed it again. Every time the Iberian winged magpies come to the pond, she chases them off. It's so funny to watch. I'll see if hopefully they'll come down in a second and you'll see what I mean. She's so protective of the food and the baby. Beautiful to see. There she is. There's the baby still. It's not such a baby now, he's actually almost full grown. You can see him there. She's collecting some more food from here, from the tray. And she'll be back down to him in a second. Just chased off another. There we go, she'll chase off another one in a second. Just going to feed him now. There she goes, she's going to chase this one off in a second, you watch. 1 second. There we go, there's another one there, she'll chase off in a second. Hopefully she'll do it now. Probably now she's being filmed she won't, but there she comes. Ready? No. There she goes, chasing them off. She's so aggressive when it comes to the food at the moment because of her young. It's beautiful to see, because normally the blue magpies, or the azure wing magpies, or the Iberian azure wing, sorry, normally they just eat everything that's here put out and leave nothing for any of the other birds, hence the fact that mother blackbird is just going absolutely crazy trying to look after the food for her young. It's absolutely beautiful. Few of them back now. Let's see what happens, see if she comes back again. They are a beautiful bird though. They're just so greedy, that's the problem. They eat everything, including dog food if you leave it out for them. At home they actually come and take the food from the dog bowl while the dogs are eating. It's quite amazing to watch. But now to see this mother blackbird chasing them off is absolutely beautiful. It just shows you the power of a mother being protective when she's got a young. Oh, this should be funny. One in the center. As you can see, it's just been non-stop here for the last half an hour since the sun's hit the pond. And we've got everything from goldfinches, chaffinch, serin, greenfinch, searle bunting, blackbirds, linnets, azure wing magpies. I mean, everything's been here at once this morning. Right. Okay, I'll leave it at that for now, and I'll get back when I see something else.